What is one of the most important things you would like your customers to know about banking?
One of the main things would be the difference between your current balance and your available balance. You may have noticed this on your online banking or on an ATM receipt. The difference here is primarily what we call holds. Holds are amounts of money that are put aside to make sure the funds are processed properly. These can be placed on checks and cards. When you cash a check or deposit a check into your account, the full amount of that check is placed on hold against your account for at least 1 day while that check clears to make sure the funds are protected if the check bounces. Checks may be held longer depending on when and how a check is deposited and depending on the amount of the check. Card holds happen when you swipe your card at a register and the payment is in limbo, meaning the funds haven't completed coming out of your account yet. I like to say that we set the funds aside so that the system knows that they're already spoken for. So when holds are in place, this will affect your available balance. While your current balance will show the entire amount that you have in your account, your available balance will reflect what is available for you to use at that time when factoring those holds.